curry shrimp, potato, and eggplant. A simple and healthy, easy dish. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Fefi. Let's cut the potatoes into small pieces. The smaller the potato, the quicker it cooks. Then we're gonna add 1 eggplant. This is such an easy way to get some greens, some vegetables into your dish without your kids noticing it so much. They usually say leave the skin on for some extra vitamins, but I'm just gonna remove it. So go ahead and decide which one you'd prefer. Then you're gonna cut it into small cubes. Wash it, and we're gonna set that aside. Oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Then we're gonna cut a half a big onion, dice it up, and also 3 garlic cloves. Of course, the easier and quickest way is in a blender or chopper, but I don't feel like having more dishes. When that's ready, set that aside. Then you have your shrimps. Make sure to wash it with some lemon juice, but you can use any size shrimp. Then we're gonna season the shrimp. We add some garlic powder, some black pepper, and a bit of salt. Stir it up and set aside. Then we're gonna lightly fry our shrimp. You don't want to fry it too long because it will be overcooked. When that's done, you also set that aside, and then we're gonna start with our curry. Add some oil, garlic, and onions. Let it fry. Before it becomes a bit brown, you add some black pepper, a little bit of salt. Remember to keep tasting the salt. Add your cumin powder, some curry powder, and we're gonna leave that fry on medium heat. You want to have it bubbling in the oil a bit. If you don't let your curry fry, it might taste bitter. That's finished frying. You add your eggplant and your potatoes. I add them together because then I know the eggplant has almost melted and the potato is nice and soft. You let that fry for about 2 minutes, and then you add a bit of water, not too much, just bit by bit. Also, if you're a pepper lover, you can add pepper at the beginning when you're frying your onions and your garlic. You're gonna cover it and let it cook. After 5 minutes, you're gonna stir it up. Taste the salt, remember. Then you're gonna add some tomato or crushed tomatoes. Then we're gonna stir that up until it's nice, until it's nicely mixed. I'm gonna add just a bit more water because it keeps. Just gonna add a bit more water because it keeps evaporating. And then you're gonna add your shrimps. I forgot to film the piece where I add the shrimp. Sorry. And some chopped celery. Stir it up and let it cook for another minute. You don't want to cook it too long. And when you're done, you garnish it with some celery. And there you have it, some curry shrimp with eggplant and potato. I hope you guys enjoy this easy recipe. Kids would love it. You can also skip the curry powder and the cumin powder and just cook it with tomatoes. Enjoy it with white rice. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time. Bye!